can't talk. Oh my God, I can't talk. I literally feel like I'm tongue-tied. It's my tongue-tied. I don't think anyone needs to try to be like anybody else. If you're trying to be somebody else, that's gonna come across and people are gonna feel that like, oh, like the fakeness. But when you are being undeniably you and you are passionate about what you're doing, people feel that. It hits different. This is it. This is the new direction. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hello. My camera's jiggling here, so I might, if the camera falls, sorry. We're on our way to the grocery store. It's Sunday. Sunday is normally my day where I go get groceries and then I come home and I meal prep. And if I got time, then I could create content. But, so we're gonna try to kill two birds with one stone here. Oh God, we're losing the camera. We're gonna try to kill two birds with one stone here, and we are gonna go grocery shopping, and I'm gonna create a video for you guys to show you just what I do to kind of like keep me and Joe on track on our nutrition plans, everything like that. Asher, he's a toddler. I mean, it depends on the day on what he will and won't eat, so I don't meal prep for him. I just kind of cook as we go with him. But at least for me and Joe, I have, me and Joe both, we eat 6 times a day. So we eat breakfast, then a snack, then we have lunch, snack, dinner, snack. And that's just kind of like how it is on the nutrition plan that we're on. And we try to make it more of a lifestyle as opposed to, it's a diet that we're on, because it's like, even Joe has said that he's noticed now that when he does go off or he eats something like pizza or, something greasy, he's like, oh my God, I actually do have a stomach ache. He thought, I'm like, what, you think I was just playing? I was just kidding around? No, my stomach hurts when I eat crap food. So we are on our way to the store. I usually have to hit up a couple different stores because you guys know I like finding the bargains, so I usually hit up Aldi's first, and then whatever I can't find at Aldi's, then I will go to either Hy-Vee, Target, something like that, and then I'll get the rest of it. So that's what we're about to do. We are heading to the grocery store. I have my list. I cannot go to the grocery store without a list, you guys. I don't know about y'all, but I get in there and my mind is like, oh this, oh that, oh shiny things. Ah! Anyways, so we're gonna go grocery shopping and then I'm gonna show you a little bit of meal prepping. I usually, finish up meal prepping after the boys go to bed. And then I finally get to wash my face, brush my teeth, and go to bed. So, anyways, that's what we're about to do. So let's go ahead and we're gonna go get some groceries. Back in the car, I'm getting wind blown here. Okay, that was one store, and next on to Hy-Vee. So here we go, Hy-Vee Adventures. Okay, we made it home. It's really windy. Now I'm recruiting some help to bring in the groceries.
I help. I can help.
You're gonna help?
You can help. We all help.
Okay, so we got everything put away here. We have a nice array of Zevia here. Just looking like a grocery store. Anyways, now let's go over the menu. So first off, I start off making our protein cookies. Me and Joe both eat these for breakfast. This video is on the channel, so definitely you can check it out if you want to try them. They are super yummy. Get yourself a food scale if you are trying to measure things out and everything. It makes it so much more convenient. There's no guesswork. Right here, I am making my snack, and yeah, I know I'm gross. I have chicken in a can. And so then I measure out my pistachios, basically just making sure that I have enough proteins, fats, and carbs. And then prepping out your fruit is huge. I feel like if you have it ready to go, and I will even rinse it, cut it all, and then I'll put it in individual bags. And then that way it's just ready to go and you can grab it and you don't have to stall or waste time. Then I thaw out whatever meat I'm going to be eating that week. And like for instance, this week I'm doing fish. So I preheat the oven, and then normally when I do my fish, I like to do my kale salad with it. This recipe is also on the channel, so definitely you can go check that out. This one is another one that I just think it's super freaking yummy. Then I use olive oil spray, I lay out the fish, and then I also spray it again with the olive oil spray to get the seasoning to stick. I prefer lemon pepper seasoning, garlic salt, and then a little bit of lemon juice. But I can't talk. So then I bake that, and then that's my lunches for the week. Then I start on Joe's lunches. So for his, by the way, I'm doing his in an air fryer. And why did we wait so long to get an air fryer? I don't know, but I do his potatoes, I do his portioning and everything, spray it with olive oil spray, and then I do seasoning salt, garlic salt, and pop them in the air fryer. The air fryer is a godsend, seriously. If you haven't tried an air fryer, try an air fryer. Then I will do his chicken, and then I prep that out, and that's pretty much it. So that's kind of like what our eating schedule looks like. Obviously everyone has different tastes, so I can't say like, oh, eat this and, you know, like blah 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 blah, like eat exactly what I eat. Like that's not realistic. I highly recommend, if you're wanting to like get going on some type of like just getting healthier in general, get a nutrition plan or get something that works for you and your lifestyle. Because otherwise, if you're having to like work around it too much, or you're like you don't have stuff prepped out, you get hangry, like find something that works for your lifestyle. Do you, boo? Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful or something, or you'll learn something, I don't know. But check out the health and fitness playlist on the channel. That's where a lot of the recipe videos are gonna be that I talked about. Other than that, if you guys have some like good recipes or like videos or anything like that that have been really helpful to you, definitely drop them below. I'm always looking for like new ideas, broaden the horizons. So yeah, being on all the nutrition stuff, it's a commitment. And so like it literally does. It takes like all day, like to grocery shop, meal prep, all this stuff. And I'm still meal prepping throughout the week. It's never ending. It's never ending. There's always dishes in the sink too. I hate dishes. If you ask me the one household chore I hate the most, I don't know why, but it's dishes. I hate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button before you leave, and we will see y'all next video. Bye guys.